Hello my friends, how are you today? I'm Zora Jose from Yarn and Needle Cafe. Welcome to my channel. Our video today is very short, but it's very useful when you want to make a very beautiful touch on your crochet projects or works, like adding such a beautiful flower to your work. Okay, how I will make it. First of all, I will start with slip knot. Okay, we know how to make it. Look, round it and pull it. Okay, I will make 6 chains now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will close it from the first chain like this. Pull a yarn and keep pulling until you close your ring. Now I will make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step will be a triple crochets in the middle of this ring. Okay, yarn over twice, push your hook from into this hole, this space. Okay, pull up a loop. Okay, pull it through 2 loops, again through 2 loops, and again through 2 loops. Yarn over twice, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, from 2 loops, and the last 2 loops. Okay, now I made 4 chains, 1 and 2 triple crochets, and again I will make a triple crochet, yarn over twice from the same space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and again and again. Okay, now after I made this 4 chains and 3 triples, I will make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Okay, and make slip stitch into this big space. Sorry, not slip stitch, it's single crochet. Okay, this is the first one, and we will repeat all these steps here. Okay, chain 4. Okay, now make 3 triples, yarn over twice from the same space, pull up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, through 2 loops, and through the last 2 loops. Again, yarn over twice, pull up a loop, pull it from 2 loops, and again and again. These are my 2 triples. Again, yarn over twice and make your triple. Okay, chain 4, 3 triples, I will make chain 4 and single crochet into the same space, tie them together. Okay, and we will repeat that 5 times. Okay, and this is the last one. I made 4 chains. Now I will make 3 triples here at the same big space. Okay, and the last 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a slip stitch. So I keep saying slip stitch, sorry, single crochet here, and ta-da! Look at my beautiful flower. When you want to make a beautiful touch for your work, use this flower. It's so beautiful and so easy. Thank you for watching my video. See you at the next video. Bye bye.